Hi friends, today I'm going to be making Nikomi Hamba-gu Stewed Hamburger Steak. Juicy hamburger steak and sweet and savory sauce go so well together. Hamburger steak is our national homemade dish that's loved by everyone. Let's get started. Combine milk and panko breadcrumbs and toast to distribute evenly. Set aside until it is moistened. Chop the onion into small pieces. Onion cooked inside of the meat and generates the steam, and it makes a juicy hamburger steak. Add all the ingredients into a mixing bowl. The ratio for the meat is usually 1:1, but I like 2 parts pork and 1 part beef. I think the ratio creates the juicy hamburger steak. And mix by hand vigorously until well combined. When the meat sticks really well, the mixing is done. Divide the filling into 12 equal portions. Take it onto your hand and pat like catching a ball to remove air inside. If you don't do this, it's going to fall apart while cooking. Shape into an oval, 2/3 of an inch thickness. Make a shallow indent in the center to cook evenly. Cook hamburger steak on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Flip and cover and reduce the heat to low. Cook until done or stick a toothpick in the center and translucent juice comes out, it's good to go. It will take about 5 minutes. Remove the excess fat with the paper towel if there are too much fat and reduce the heat to low. Add mirin, Okonomiyaki sauce, ketchup and Worcestershire sauce. Cover and cook another a couple of minutes. It looks good. Now let's assemble. Transfer the hamburger steak and sauce and add some boiled broccoli and corn onto the side. And cook until bubbling and serve immediately. Now it's time to taste. The juicy hamburger steak and sweet and savory sauce go so well. The sauce is savory and sweet, and this is nothing special. This is the taste we grew up eating. And you can make a smaller hamburger to put it into a bento lunchbox. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!